So as you see, you just want to keep beating it until it's into submission. This is not done yet, but see, just beat it. Like the Michael Jackson song. Just beat it. Just beat it. Put that frosting in the bowl and beat it. Soon you'll have frosting. Soon you'll have fun. Soon you'll have cupcakes that look like something. Yeah, something like that. Just beat it. Look at that. Look at that. That looks like buttercream. And it didn't 5 seconds ago. That's why you've got to melt it and get it to the right temperature. IMBC is all about temperature. Remember when it looked all split and grainy and it looked like almost like cottage cheese? Look at that. Now it's beautiful buttercream. And looks exactly like it should. Okay? So don't worry. Don't throw it out. I know it gets scary, but it'll go back to being beautiful, luscious Italian meringue buttercream. All right. Bye.